Okay, so today we are going to write the same Jerry's painting summary writing by answering all these questions. Okay, but we are going to start from the first question until the question who has a karate lesson at 3 o'clock. Okay, why? Because I've already made another video whereby I have done the explanation for the second part, which is who wants to see the painting now, until this one. Do you think Jerry has played a trick on his friend Marcy? So actually I have discussed how to write the answers and how to write in a simple form as to write as a summary in the second written part 2, lesson written part 2. So you can actually view it that you can watch that video and also view the answers for these questions from here to here. So I'm going to discuss from here to this question who has a karate lesson at 3 o'clock. Okay, in this written part 1 version. Okay, so let's start with the first one. The first one, okay, the question is what's the time? So it is 11 o'clock. Okay, let's go to the next question. Who is at Jerry's house? Okay, Marcy is at Jerry's house. Okay. Okay, and the next question will be who is the boy and what is the boy doing? So actually we can combine the answers for these two questions as one answer. So the answers will be who is the boy? Jerry is the boy. So actually we don't have to write is the boy because we are talking about the boy. So we just write that Jerry is enough. Okay, short answer. Okay, what is the boy doing? The boy or Jerry is painting a portrait. So you don't have to write the boy or he is painting a portrait, but we just straight away continue with this phrase. Jerry, the phrase will be is painting a portrait. Then let's go to the next question. Who has a dog? Okay, who has a dog? Sally. No, no. Jerry has a dog. Okay. What's the dog's name? So the dog's name is Sally. Okay. The dog's name is Sally. Okay, why am I going to change the dogs? Okay, the phrase the dogs I'm going to change to a possessive pronoun, which is her. Why I'm using her? Because Sally is a female dog. Okay, the next question will be have Sally and Marcy got curly hair? Yes, Sally and Marcy have got curly hair. Okay, this answer is the correct answer for this question. Have Sally and Marcy got curly hair? But you cannot write like this. You cannot write this because this is a statement, and as we know, we cannot write any statement either it's a positive or negative statement in a summary. So we have to remove the word yes. Okay, so we will just stick to this answer, which is Sally and Marcy have got curly hair. Simple and direct sentence. Okay, what colors are Sally's and Marcy's hair? Okay, Sally's okay, hair is brown and Marcy's hair is blonde. Okay, you cannot write yellow. You cannot write Marcy's hair is yellow because hair you cannot write the color is yellow. You have to use the word blonde to describe the color of Marcy's hair. And it is blond. Okay, color is blond. If you to describe the color of hair is blond. Okay, the next question will be what is the time now? So it's okay. It's 2:30. Okay, this is actually going into the third frame, and from the third frame, okay, the main the main so the main story starts from the third frame. So just now we stop here. What is the time now? So I have already written the answer. It's 2:30. Oh, sorry, there's a mistake. Okay, so it's 2:30. Okay, okay, it's 2:30. What is the time now? It's 2:30. Who has a karate lesson at 3 o'clock? So now the answer will be Marcy has a karate lesson at 3 o'clock. Okay, let's check if there is any grammatical or any spelling mistake. Okay, it is 11 o'clock. Marcy is at Jerry's house. Jerry is painting a portrait. Jerry has a dog. Her name is Sally. Sally and Marcy have got curly hair. Sally's hair is brown and Marcy's hair is blonde. It's 2:30. Marcy has a karate lesson at 3 o'clock. So this is the purpose of this video, which is to teach you how to write a summary, and also by answering the questions from question 1, question 1 here, question 1 here until this question, who has a karate lesson at 3 o'clock. But I still would, I still will, I will still give you the full answer because there is a part which I actually have forgotten to I have actually forgotten to give the answer for one question uh, in this summary writing lesson, which is okay. I paste first, then I will let you know which one that I forgotten in the second part. Okay, second part, which is written part 2. So this one, uh, why do you think Marcy does not like the picture? Okay, this one I actually left out in video part 2. So I will explain to you, okay, how to answer that. Hold on a second. Give me a while. Battery is a bit low. Okay, so that question, what you have to do is, mm, okay, okay. So this question, Why do you think Marcy does not like the picture? Okay, so here. Okay. Mm. So I have to write the answer here. Okay. Why she doesn't like the picture? Okay, I'm going to write she because I'm going to replace the name Marcy with a pronoun she. So she does not like the picture, okay, because it's not her picture. Okay, why uh, I'm actually writing this because I need to explain clearly that that picture is actually not her picture. Okay, she doesn't like the picture because it's not her picture, but Sally's. Okay, Sally's actually refers to Sally's picture because I've already written here the word picture, so I did not repeat. Okay, okay, let me make that better for you to see. Okay, so that it will be clearer for you to see. Okay, so that is the part that I forgotten and left out in the lesson part 2. So this question, okay, why do you think Marcy does not like the picture? So I've added the answer to that question here. She does not like the picture because it's not her picture but Sally's. Okay, why I'm writing here is not her picture because you need to understand that if I do not write it's not her picture here, what will happen is the answer will be vague and maybe it cannot be understood by the reader. So we have to write because it's not her picture but Sally's. So it well describes why she doesn't like the picture. Okay, and Sally's, okay, as I told earlier, it actually represents Sally's picture. Okay, with that I end this lesson. I hope that you will go through both the lessons. Please watch both the lessons so that you will not leave out any details in any one of them. Okay, till then, please subscribe to teacher's channel and like my videos. Okay, thank you.